It's often difficult for beginners to understand the difference between what Wing Chun is and what Wing Chun is not. After all, the art sets itself up for adaptability and change and really can look like a number of different things. But I'm going to give you one clear example in this video of what Wing Chun should be and what it is not. The entire premise of Wing Chun is about attacking the opponent upon their attack. This means intercepting their attack with an attack of your own. This also means that there are no blocks and there are no cover-ups. Here is an example of what Wing Chun is not. Here's a clear example of what happens when one person is trying to defend and the other person is constantly attacking. Now, neither one of these guys are Wing Chun practitioners, but you can see what covering up and defensive mindedness will get you. The concepts of Wing Chun make you a legit predator, the opposite of a defensive-minded prey. It immediately turns the tables on an attacker because a legit Wing Chun fighter is immediately seeking to attack upon their attack. Defensive-mindedness has no place in real Wing Chun. And no, this isn't a lineage thing. All good Wing Chun lineages will teach you to first seek to attack your opponent's attack. Seeking to cover up as your first line of defense simply isn't an option. And to those that say Wing Chun can look like anything, well, I actually agree with you. Upon reason, Wing Chun is meant to be adaptable. But what Wing Chun can't do is make you more defensive-minded. It can't ever make you first go to covering up. Seeking to attack the opponent's center must be your first thought. There's absolutely nothing defensive-minded about good Wing Chun. Our defenses are active deflections that always go towards the opponent's center. They are never passive, like covering up is. Teaching Wing Chun, it's important that you stick to the main effort of what Wing Chun's trying to do, and it is to attack their center. Subscribe now so you don't miss out on more of these great Wing Chun lessons.